Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher of Mathematics in Vedantu. I am presenting the solutions of JEE Advanced 2022 Paper 1, and this is question number 15, that is matrix match, first matrix match of this paper. So here we are given four options, four questions you can say in list 1, and there are four answers, I think five answers in list 2. Okay, now let us see how to do them one by one. So my first part says cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1. Cos x plus sin x is equal to 1. Though it is direct, many people remember it directly, it will be only if either cos x is 1 when sin will be 0 or sin x will be 1 then cos x will be 0. But you can do it directly also. Just square both sides. Okay, and we will get, I think 1 plus 2 sin x cos x is equal to 1, which gives us either sin x to be 1, either sin x to be 0, and then from this equation cos x will be 1, or cos x will be 0, then sin x will be 1. So that is what I was saying in the beginning also. Now we are given this angle, let me write this in degree. So minus 120 degree to plus 120 degree. Okay, now it is very easy to see that this cos x will be equal to 1 only at one angle in this interval, that is 0 degree or 0 radian you can say. And similarly sin x will also be 1 only at 90 degree. No other angle you can achieve these values. So this one will be having two elements. Okay, you can check A, B are also getting 1 to P, 1 to P. So C and D options are eliminated right away. Now coming to option number 2. In fact, if you check, options are given such a way that after solving 2 completely, I think we are done. We do not have to solve 3 and 4 in the exam specially. Okay, but I'll solve completely, but let us see how the second will be done. I think tan 3x, they have given 1 upon root 3. How much easy you can expect from them? So 3x has to be equal to n pi plus pi by 6, isn't it? Okay, so my x will be equal to n pi by 3 plus pi by 18. Okay, and these angles they have given us, if I write them in degree, I think they are minus 50 to plus 50. Okay, and let me write this also in degrees. Pi is 180, so this will be I think 60n plus 10 in degrees. 60n plus 10 in degrees. Now I can choose n to be 0, so I will get 10 here if n is 0. If I choose n as minus 1, it will be minus 50 here. Okay, any other values cannot be obtained in this interval. So once again, this is also having two elements. So you can see second is also having P answer. So I think answer should be B. So only by solving two options we were able to get the correct answer. But option number 3, that third part can also be solved. Here we are given cos 2x to be equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, so this 2x will be equal to 30 degree. In fact, this interval which we are given, if I write once again this in degrees, 6 pi by 5 is how much? 6 pi by 5, I think 216. Pi by 5, 36 into 6, yeah, 216. So minus 216 to 216. And because cos x is even function, finding only positive values and then multiplying them, and if 0 is there then add it separately. But here I think 0 is not the solution. 2x will be equal to 30 degree, or it can be 330 degree, it can be 390 degree also, and some higher values also. But if I take x, then it will come out to be 15, it will be 165, and that will be I think 195. Okay, but if I go further, that means it will be I think 720 minus 30, that means it will be 690. Let us check. Yeah, it will be corresponding to this only. Just add 360 to it, so it will be 690, and you can check half of it will be a bigger number, 345. Okay, now because this is even function, let us do one thing. Let us put plus minus only, that will give us the answer. So plus minus plus minus plus minus, so 6 values should be the answer for this one. So for third one, it should have 6 elements. So you can check third is also giving us T. Now, last one is remaining. Let us do it on the next slide. Sin x minus cos x is equal to 1. So similar to the logic I have used in the first one, can I say it directly that in this case, fourth one, sin x will be equal to 1 and cos will be 0, or this cos x will be equal to minus 1 and sin x will be equal to 0, either this one or this one. Now again, these angles, 7 pi by 4 is I think 315 degree. You may do it in radian also. It is all up to you, but in degree sometime it looks easier, so I have used this. So for first one, you can check when sin x is 1, cos x is 0, I think x will be minus 270 degree or 90 degree, either minus 270 or 90 degree. There is no angle in this interval, you can check. 0 to 315, only 90 will be the angle where sine will become 1, or minus 270 if we go from minus 315 to 0. Similarly, for this one, when cos x is minus 1, x will be I think 180 degree, or it can be minus 180 degree. There is no other angle where cos x can take value minus 1. You can check from the graph also. Okay, so here we are getting 4 values. So for this fourth one, it should be R, and we got B as the answer. So you can check fourth one is R. These 3 we have already checked. Okay, so I think this one was easy question, isn't it? So this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such solutions. Bye, bachcho.